Tell the teens, man. Celebrate lifestyle. Tell the teens, man. My top secrets are tell the teens, man. Social life, yeah. Tell the teens, man. Tell the teens, man. Tell the teens.
Hello, guys. Hope I find you all doing great. As you know that we give you nothing but the best entertainment. This is Real Nice Productions, and we have this show, Tell the Teens. And as you know that I don't do it by myself. I have Uncle Saint in the building. Uncle Saint, how are you doing?
I'm good, thanks, and you, my bro?
I am doing well, and if you don't know my name is Jonasi, aka J for Real, the only living lovable and the number one ladies' choice. You feel me? Yeah. Twitter say what I see, baba.
The only and the woman's choice.
Living lovable, the number one ladies' choice.
Aiwa andichida kugamuchira imhuri yeZimbabwe apano pachirongwa taura tinzwe panapa wangogara panapa dare racho nonofanira kutongoziva kutoti ndakufanira kutotaura panapa ndaifunga kutoti senyika vaifanira kuti vanhu vanenge vachida kuti vaite maconfessions vanongoyogara panapa anobva atanga
kutongotaura
zvese nekuti panapa unototaura chichitonzwa
whether you like it or not.
Aiwa usingadi so nhasi we've got a special guest vakaipava panyanze mangoma this one in sometimes I call him a prophet of music because the way he sings unotoona kuti aiwa pane kumwe kwaari kurota kusiri kuenda
vanorotswa
ameno
vachataura chidzi. So just stay tuned to this podcast tichitaura tichinzwa kuti what's going on. My musicians, my dancers, my actors, everybody has to do with entertainment anenge ari panapa. So right now we have a special guest.
Yes.
Special guest.
A special guest.
Special guest.
Muriko komungo totanga kombera maoko because today we have got Rascaleb the
Skitterlang, Rascaleb the Rascal Dread. Yeah.
The Rascal Dread is in the house today. So today we have got a special guest, none other than Rascaleb the Rascal Dread. Welcome to the show, Taura Tinzwe.
Thank you very much for having me on your podcast.
Mfaro wedu zvakanyanyisa. Nasi, for the first time, I've seen Jonasi wearing this way. It means who we have today is very special. Once again, welcome to the show.
Blessings. Blessings.
Otherwise, look at
aiwa tingati toti kufamba kwevakatsanya.
Aiwa, that is great. Chekutanga muri yeZimbabwe vanoziva kuti ndiRascaleb, but they would want to know kuti who exactly is Rascaleb kuitira kuti vanogona kungonhonga chitupa kana driver's license vabva vatoti ndechaGermany. Who is Rascaleb, akazvarwa kupi, ane makore mangani?
I was born in Caleb Terika. I was born in Masvingo a very long time ago. Man. I'm younger than Zimbabwe, so I'm still a youth.
Alright, so three purposes vakare. Rascaleb.
Man.
Pane mamwe mababy patime maimati makosi. Vanenge vachitocrash. Vada kuziva kuti taken or not taken. Cannot remove streets.
Me as a family man. I'm married to my wife Thelma, and we've got 3 children.
Oh, wonderful.
Everyone knows my wife, you know.
That's nice.
Man.
Chenenyu makaitanga sei ende makaziva sei kuti inini ndiri artist anokwanisa kutorepo?
Basically munozati like when we were growing up zvinhu zvatengodawo zvema-arts inini like I fell in love with the arts kubva ndiri mudiki. Like when I was going to Salvation Army, like I used to participate aitiswa ainzi ma-item madrama sema-junior soldiers. So from then like kuenda pamberi pevanhu presenting something like a drama kana kuti kuimba, it's something that we used to do every Sunday at church. You understand? But then I did not know that I wanted to be a musician. But mukukura momo, pakatanga zvema urban grooves, tichiona na Decibel, tichiona na Bongo Muffin from South Africa.
Yes.
And like naturally, like I wanted also to sing. I remember I had my own version, Ye Mau Mau, Ye Tuanzira Boarding Master. Kuchikoro. I remember that song, Mau Mau, Mau Mau, that like one of the greatest hip hop songs to come out to Zimbabwe during that time. So for me, from school, takabva tatanga kungu yimbao tichiita zvechikoro. So when I finished school, I pursued media and journalism. In South Africa, and that love for music, it kept on being there, and I just found myself in circles that's in the music. Like for example, I used to visit Jack Rushaw a lot to get my DVD, my reggae, some face. I used to buy them from him, and he akatanga my beats reggae. And I started going to my rubber dub South Africa, you know, as a young artist, like sharing the stage in Mango Rasta iTunes, Arupisa Black Dillinger, for example, was like for me like a great achievement for that time. At Pandagazotanga Kunzwa Winky D, Achirira South in Abandini love music, and I was recording my demos, and I don't think I told to marry Twang Lungo Buko studio.
Okay.
Lungo told my hours young Jingo record my demo angu. I felt like let me just record my 10 songs. Then I don't know launch out Zimbabwe. It's gonna be hot.
Alright.
So I came back to Zimbabwe, trying to sell my music,
your music, your DVD,
take it to radio and stuff like that, and that's how I met Rocky.
Okay.
In Mashingo there when he came for a show, and I got you can come to Harare to record Jamana, I'm potential. So when I came to Harare, I met Rocky again, just down the road apparently from here.
Okay.
Pana Chechu Apamba Pana Jalav.
Alright.
Yeah. So I met Rocky, we started making music, and like my praise because it was like a camp artist.
It's another issue, especially pama artist. So again, bata ipapo kuitroti timboenda timbononoa mvura and tikanwira mvura munatso titsanangurira. So guys, tiri panapa pataura tinzwe ndofunga muri kungozvinzwira from Ras Caleb vatakagara nawo inini naJonasi tichimboti aiwa taura tinzwe. Ani muri kuwanza kuti vakutotanga kutotaura nyaya dzedzi. Aiwa ane mbononwira mvura Romango said Ras Caleb naJonasi mbomirai. aiwa tida kutenda ibho rezimbabwe nekuramba muinesu pano pachirongwa taura tinzwe aiwa nzvimbo yaunokwanisa kunzwa chirongwa ichi imwe chete, that is Realness Production. So all you need to do is to follow us on our all social media handles kuitira kuti unge uri unogara uchinzwa zviri kuitika panapa. So today we've got a very special guest, Diego wamunonzwa achiti Raskeleb the Rascal Dread Rascal mdaraka pakaika ndopamakandipedzera pakaiteka kochetika ndotombowa kuti
voice unoita rekutunere kana muita sei?
It's natural.
It's natural.
Yeah, ndakazvagwa ndakadaro.
But chimwe chinondinakidza pavoice ravo ndakamboatenda live show at same.
Serious?
Arikanganiswa nekuti mustudio.
Yeah man.
Anditi. So Rascal patamboenda kunonwira mvura manga muchitaura kuti makasangana nani.
Yeah, I mean people they did not understand the vision yanga ina Rocky, and the vision yanga iripo like we were like a whole crew. Okay. Yeah, my musicians, you know, we had Mafriki there, we had Jalaf there, Vana H2O, a lot of people. Kina used to come there as well. Saka during that time, I got introduced to the industry because I went on the road with Rocky. Tayenda naye kuma shows, taipinda studio, we're making music and like learning a lot of things, a lot of aspects really important to music in the industry. So I worked with him until a certain point. Then ungo jamba and kusika pa time yokuti I went back to work. Yeah, when I was at work, Jalaf atanga kusumuka nesong inonzi John Terry. And John, when Jalaf apanga kurise, he introduced me to Fantan. Right. So okay. I started working.
Also Jalaf, so Jalaf ndo akakuzisa nezve Chillspot.
Yeah, because me I was coming from Mashingo Kambari and then Chikusira Kupi.
Also,
so Jalaf was the guy I in the end is Undrati Zambari, Sunning Kupi. Okay. I used to ndaifamba naye daily. Then to rafti paside nipa side. So it was like during that year iron was sharpening iron. Because there was a lot of competition in that studio. There was a lot of recording sessions, rehearsals. Everyone loved what they did, except the people who were watching from outside. They were just seeing my radicals. Why is that these people? What you know what I'm saying? But so, but ipapo taitobikwa kuti tive ready for the industry because Jalaf went on to become a big superstar, and then I also went on to become a big superstar in the sense of taka achieve takazo swika kukenan.
Yeah, so Tripapoka, Pamaketa breakthrough.
Yeah.
That song became the national anthem.
Yeah, man.
By that time,
yeah.
That was Tokwe Mukosi.
On my way, can.
So those days, even a baby could cry.
Yeah, man. Yaito nyaradza vanhu nozva waigona kusiya
even became a national thing.
Yeah, it was a powerful song. Pane umwe munhu akandudza ati ndakasiya mwana wangu achiona video yenyu ndikaenda kumashops ndikadzoka akangogara achingoiona iri parepeat. Saka it was a very powerful song.
Yeah.
So amuna kuvhunduka here kutaura kuti patime yachona this is a German from Masiko.
Yeah.
Look, we were making music already.
Okay.
Saka when like normally well how it happened to me, like when Toko Mkosi became a big song, in me like ndasingazvioni guy because I'm used to making songs.
Also that time you were not concentrating
I didn't
on watching what was happening online.
Yeah,
you were busy in the studio.
I wasn't even online.
Okay.
Yeah, like people did not know me. You understand? So I was walking freely in my streets, and here and there I would just come across the song in my shows. And most of the shows that we were doing, Angarim stood at. So there was no money. There was no. Chatang was one. We need to keep on making more music.
Yeah, but that song, this question, right? A big song like that.
Yeah.
How much did you Yamaka won from that song?
Nothing.
Come on.
I got shows.
No, people are watching us.
But
It's a big song.
Listen, I did Toko Mkosi as a song. It was my song.
Yes.
There was no monetizing. There was Zimura, but I've never taken any cent from that song except for the name and Nema shows Akawea along the song ya pizza. Maybe people want to hear me sing it here and there. But Chikadauti Nagazo days when you Omari for to wakagadzira song think to Vanyebera. Kana teach Nyebera.
After kushanda kwakakura kudaro was kutaura kuti song yakakura kudaro yagadzirwa naRaskelem.
Yeah, man.
And then you unachamuwana
I got an award. I think that award was the first time kutindibate my Android because it came with a phone.
Okay.
Award ready.
Like it was conscious best reggae.
Oh, best reggae.
Yeah.
Alright.
I became the second artist to hold that award after Mike Ainiti. Saka for me, like I just felt like the promoter. But you know what? For the most part, like our industry, when many artists they get their monies from performances.
Okay.
My royalties are aina sanama damazia. Kutano it was.
Come on. Serious?
And then number maona.
But
These ones we out to Maria I'll go, but
Alright, I just want to know. There's a question that I just want to ask. Maybe people they would want to know.
Alright,
I always
it's going to be a big question. This one coming from Jonas. So guys, tichibirira question kuna the man himself Jonas. Today we have got Raskelem in the house. Silver Brumbo na zvakarongeka. So regaiti mbo nzwaziri kutevera tozodzoka tichibvunzwa mubvunzo uri kubva kuna Jonas.
Usatyire kureshika tinokutambira ine mufaro mukuru musatyire kureshika ipanzvimbo tinokutambira ine mufaro mukuru usasaririre kumashure uya riudasi kwava kumberi kwekumberi wanzwa usasaririre kumashure uya riunasi kwava kumberi kwekumberi wanzwa riunasi kumberi riunasi kumberi pama hitsi kumberi pama video kumberi riunasi kumberi riunasi kumberi pama hitsi kumberi pama video kumberi live kumberi riunasi kumberi riunasi kumberi kumberi riunasi kumberi kumberi akwekuseri kumberi akwekuseri kumberi kumberi
Hello guys, welcome back to our final segment. Today we have got a special guest, Raskeleb in the house. So, panapa pataura tinzwe, ndo pari kurudunura zvese. And for the first time, rukunzoti song ye inonzi Tokwe Mkosi, the song yakaita kuti anatsozikana kubva nevacheche nevakuru nechembere harawa. Tanzwa zvatanzwa. So iwe kana watanga kutotiona panapa, all you need to do is to subscribe, turn on. Why ndichiramba ndichireminda vanhu nyaya yekusubscribe? Because it's for free. To follow Runas Production, it's for free. Wobva wazotanga kuzvinzwira wako mutakunanzwa nekunzwa ana Raskeleb vachitaura. Over to you, Mr. Jonas. Pane question iri kuvapisa zvokuti vari kutsva.
But I like this question is like is in you know nyanyopisa story, but it's the relationship that he has with DJ Fantan.
Okay.
I always see him now, DJ Fantan. So now I'm curious to know like what's really going on. It's like DJ Fantan. I always say, is he your friend or manager or whatever?
Basically, kubva zvatakazivana naFantan, like we've got too many things in common. Like we are both from Salvation Army, like our background.
Okay.
Takango click, you know, you make friends as you grow. But you know, like Sivan Vakuru, some of those friends they are like colleagues. You understand? Because atinanguwa kutamba ande tungono tamba. When we are playing, we are working. You understand? So for me, Fantan Ngatichi, like he's a very close friend of mine. He's one person who has shown concern in about Raskeleb music wise and everything, because panning with time and Anambuita to slow down musically, you know, and he made the effort to come through then Rasta and the studio. But Mumbo Square Mchiteko Kumarain Kungu and he didn't no wonder ground Kwatotambira Bora go, because if you are a musician you need to be around music. Yeah.
Alright, so what happened for you maybe to backslide a little bit? What happened? Because
you know this industry is frustrating. You know my shows are way cannot you know what I'm saying? Pangopana you think that I can do it alone and things don't work out. But I guess this is industry music. We are learning as we are going. You understand? Because this is ngatichi this generation in my mistakes akazu correct when you know, because I believe the generation that came after us, they did better on certain areas and achieved more than what we could. This is groundbreaking. You understand? Yeah, man. So for me, Fantan has been that person. Rastaman, we need to make another song. Let's do like this. Let's go like this. Let me introduce you to this person. Let's do this. Until now, we've got our own television show with Fantan. Saga Tukuirana. We are working together. You understand?
So your relationship is more like a working relationship.
We work. We play like his uncle, and I'm uncle to his children. You understand? Because after knowing each other for that while, we become so close. You want to make a sure to touch. You know what I'm saying?
So Trip Aboga, I would like to say congratulations for making one of your hit songs, our hit song. That is Ziggy. Zigmar. That is
Zigmar.
One Ziggy, two Ziggy,
more Ziggy. Cash in my pocket.
So that song, I think you released it just a few days after Maziga Jonah Artist.
Mazigi Aganons was it like Friday?
Yes.
On Monday we had the song.
We
were not planning.
Yes.
We were not planning to have a song. It was a conversation. Yataita tripakawa shwaiza yataigeza moto ya Fantan. Kutitiende studio. Like so I'm talking to Fantan. I'm like, you can't wear any new Mari because I don't see him the whole weekend. Mazigi, you are Rumbufamba Seko Chichi. Internet we are seeing then just like a joke DJ chance dance and DJ is like, why don't you just do it? I think go cheat time. Where is that?
So meaning with DJ Fantan
Yeah.
akatocontributa pakugadzirwa.
You know what, mira ndikudze isusu I got a voice. Fantan does not have a singing voice.
Alright.
But inzeve yekuziva kuti apa pane touch apa panogona kunongwa nyama. He's got that. Trust me, because all of those youngsters vanandunga ana bazuka na chichi, for him kutaziva kuti apa pakaipa apa. You understand, and actually produce and be able to market. He's got that ear for good music. I think he's ndiye akapiwa nzeve yacho. Kuti akwanise because kudhara taita like a joke kuti kangonzwa Fantan aridza muridzi waize, so it's like you'd record a song and wait for Fantan kuti angoridza muridzo kuti Fantan akaridza muridzo rasta. I remember when Magetsi was recorded soka Jalava angopinda mu studio, he did it like a one take. So that song was like recorded maybe like in 3 minutes. The length of the song yacho na angopinda levels ava atoseta machine and Jalava just went in from the start around mando kusvika anopedza uko kupedzisira anga asina kumbomira anozongoita. I think the second take yongo is some backing vocals pa chorus. Fantan achipedza unzwa song ye apa angoridza muridzo sataiza kuti ukangosipaka Fantan kusvika aridza muridzo hitira we.
Saka Fantan ndofana kutozombogara padhuze naye ndogona kutoita zvemusic.
Unogona kutongoita we.
So trip up. Ndoda kuti congratulations again. I've seen you outside. Nowadays arasa musisiko kumakombi. Mchinzwa star renyu.
Ndani time ndisiri kumakombi munoza. Ani ndifamba na Fantan. You know what? The blessing about it is like inini I've shared some of the blessings. Baka bless wa Fantan, it benefited me because ndinda ingopikwa nekudropwa pa day. You know what I'm saying? So the appreciation yakazoitika yeAqua for us, it came like a surprise. You know what I'm saying? When I heard it, ndaitofamba like making my way to the shops, ndaizofana kuzoenda tora Fantan pattern because togara padhuze nepadhuze kuwaterfalls. So I received a call from one guy. Makorokoto, is it true? Is it true? Ndikati true what? Mapuwa mari kai mimi nichichi ndikati you know, and then I dropped that call. We were not expecting anything. You know, Chacha guy was, how were we going to make a song for us Caleb Kutwango to stand out again? And you know, like we always at making music to release, stage out to one attention, the airplay, you know the whole thing. So that we can get more shows and continue to tour. So we were not expecting anything. All we wanted was a big song. So when we launched our song, it had achieved a lot, and we had the interview with KVG on Star FM. We had achieved.
So that was you were satisfied.
We were happy. We never do music expecting no one to. You know, don't expect that once we do what we do, the returns will come from our work. Tagadzira songs, Sagamo promoters will even call us. We were not expecting. So when the call came in, the second call came in, third call, and I'm like, let me call Fantan, because Fantan is the one who's supposed to call me if there's anything. Fantan, yes, he went on the internet. Then a second later, he's calling me. I just congratulations. We're so happy, you know. I owe Fantan because he was so excited. I got jump up on bed. Thank you
very much. It's a story for another day.
Yes,
yes. And sitting down with, I think you can agree with Rascal. I feel honored.
Since that hour, thank you, Boss Chivayo. Say weekend Chivayo, Magat Gonira, Magat Sumudzira, Mashingo Rufara, Skribidi Rufara. Yeah, man.
Thank you very much, Rascal, for coming to this special show.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Realness Production
Yes,
for having me. Yes, I Jonas.
aiwa ndo toda kuti
Dongo tangodzozera bhachi muakwa.
Bashiro anziri kuenda neakwa unonga mazvinzwira mukazomona akaripfeka next time uzoti anenge atoripa. Aiwa, so guys, thank you very much nekunge muinesu nhasi. Asi ndichida kukurudzira kuti kana ungasati wasubscribe paRealness Productions, this is the place to subscribe. Also, don't forget that we've got different services we offer here as Realness Productions. We've got recordings, we do filming, we do marketing, we do quite a number of things. So all you need to do is to get in touch with us on the number on the screen if you need any of our services. Aiwa, uruda kuti kuditi setup papa.
Ini ndongora machingodzimbidzira kuti don't forget to subscribe, share guys, mali website ngaite say ngatenderere. This is entertainment. This is Realness Production, and we give you nothing but the best entertainment in the whole world. So just stay tuned. Myself with Ango said we say bye. Yeah. Iwewe.
Taura teens way. Iwewe. Taura teens way. Taura teens way. Yeah. Realness. Taura teens way. Check for real. Taura teens way. Show. Uncle say. Taura teens way. Taura teens way. Taura teens way. Yeah. Taura teens way. Taura teens way. The cool beyond the Taura teens way. Yeah. Taura teens way.